Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Remitly. Remitly is a US-based online money transfer service founded in 2011. It enables users to send money to over 170 countries, offering various delivery options such as bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile wallet transfers. The company went public on the Nasdaq exchange in 2021. Remitly offers two transfer speeds: Express, which funds are delivered within minutes, ideal for urgent transfers, and Economy, which transfers take 3 to business days, often with lower fees. Also, the Remitly app and website are designed for ease of use, making it accessible even for users with limited tech experience. They provide also competitive exchange rates, especially for popular corridors like the US to the Philippines, India, and Mexico. Users now can fund transfers via bank accounts, debit or credit cards, and mobile wallets, offering flexibility depending on the sender's location. Now we've talked about the pros, let's talk about the drawbacks. Fees can vary significantly based on the destination, transfer speed, and payment method. Express transfers, in particular, can be more expensive. Also, some users have reported challenges with customer support, including delayed responses and difficulty resolving issues. The Know Your Customer process can be time-consuming, potentially delaying transfers, especially for new users. But users appreciate the speed and reliability of transfers. The user-friendly interface simplifies the sending process, and many commend the competitive exchange rates offered. So, yes, Remitly is generally considered safe for international money transfers. The company employees have advanced security measures, including encryption and fraud detection tools to protect user data from transactions. So, finally, Remitly is a solid choice for sending money internationally, especially for users who prioritize speed and ease of use. While it offers competitive rates and various payment options, potential users should be aware of the variable fees and occasional customer service challenges. It's advisable to compare Remitly's rates and fees with other services to ensure it meets your specific needs. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.